Moin, wonderful viewers. Moin is hello in Luxembourgish. I'm Leo. The vigorous people of Luxembourg pray for peace and serenity in your lives. May the heavens watch over you always. Today we are honored to present to you an interview with the Reverend Father Anthony Chang who is an active vegan figure in Hong Kong among the Catholic society, with many environmentally sustaining initiatives. The Reverend Father Anthony Chang is a Catholic priest residing in Hong Kong, who is well known for his numerous environmentally conscious undertakings through various groups and organizations. Born in Jamaica in 1941, Father Chang's life journey led him at the age of 6 to his father's homeland, Hong Kong, where he realized his calling to become a priest. The Reverend is a compassionate vegan, believing that the peaceful plant-based diet has a major role in protecting the planet's ecosystem and environment. Thus, for Father Chang, the relationship between faith and environmental protection makes a significant mark in his activities for the community. He is the founder and chairman of the Catholic Messengers of Green Consciousness and the Hong Kong Catholic Vegetarian Association, organizations that aspire to bring about the essential peace among all of God's creations, while the power to do so is still in our hands. Let us now meet the Reverend Father Anthony Chang and learn more about his interesting journey of faith and his pure impressions of the priesthood.
我個名叫鄭生來神父，即係我第一次醒覺關於神、關於天主呢，就係7歲8歲嗰陣時就去教堂，咁係嗰陣時認識嘅，知道有呢個神有呢個天主。但係感受佢呢，就會喺教堂裏邊參與彌撒咁樣祭啦，或者自己祈禱嗰陣時就會係有呢個意識同埋感受。咁就一路喺個過程裏邊就即係加深同埋加闊嗰個認識。應該係7歲8歲嗰時開始咯。然後我想做神父呢，都應該係8歲咁上下。我出世呢就係牙買加，但係我爸爸出世喺香港，咁我爸爸都想翻即係落葉歸根，即係中國個國土，香港都係嘅，咁佢咪翻嚟香港，咁但係全家翻嚟咯，咁就係翻到嚟香港，我爸爸過咗身之後，然後就去到個教堂。即係話7歲8歲先第一次接觸關於天主，出世領洗嘅就喺牙買加，咁喺教堂嗰度我就第一次係醒覺關於神、關於天主嘅，咁都係咁我經常返教堂，咁所以經常接觸到啲神父。
The path to becoming a priest was one of inner reflections on the spiritual aspects of this vocation, as well as the practical effort required for achieving it. Now the Reverend explains how he decided to become a priest.
想做神父嗰個意念呢，就係即係接觸咗啲神父，睇到佢哋好投身係工作嗰度，咁就覺得好咯。同時即係佢哋專係關於天主啊、信仰啊、基督啊咁我又中意呢樣，咁就同埋都係嗰段時間呢，就更深入了解基督咯。咁就了解基督呢，就其中一樣嘢呢，就係佢話佢嚟係服侍，唔係被服侍，係佢願意關心人、服務人。咁呢個就好吸引，咁我都攞咗呢個做神父都要係咁嘅。另外一樣嘢吸引我呢，就係佢關心窮人。基督係即係同人係好密切噶嘛。最後決定都係23歲先入修院，做神父嘅修院啦，聖神修院喺香港就係神父都要讀好多書嘅，最少2年哲學。4年神學， 我嗰陣時讀哲學，我哋嗰間修院即係香港修院，未算係一間大學。咁但係而家咧就會係楞羅馬一間大學嘅修院，承認香港修院係一個大學式嘅修院。凡係神父都承認，羅馬都承認，即係唔係睇你讀過咩書，但係睇你個做神父嗰個祝聖禮，祝聖咗做神父就全球一樣。嗰個一般嚟講係算順利咯，咁但係都有個學習過程。
One of the inspirations for Father Chang Sang-loi was how the Pope brought about fundamental reforms to the Catholic Church, in how it saw itself and its relationship with other faiths and the world.
梵蒂岡第二次大公會，天主教會一個全球嘅大改革，因為嗰陣時咧，60年代前咧，同埋初期咧，嗰個教宗咧多過2500個主教，咁就喺62至65年就好多改革。以前啲彌撒咧就係拉丁文嘅，後來又一定要全面本地化，咁就用返中文。咁香港就用廣東話啦，咁北京係用普通話啦，即係咁。因為呢個教宗佢好強調牧民即係話咧照顧啲教友，同埋培育啲教友，咁佢咪強調接觸咯。佢話大口將等新鮮空氣入，咁又要出去接觸啲人，傳福音都要接觸人啊嘛。咁譬如話對其他宗教係要尊重嘅，聖經又一樣，神係一樣，好多嘢一樣，所以好多係共同嘅。但共同嘅咧就要承認大家嘅共同。咁梵二就肯定呢個方向，同埋再推進呢個方向。咁所以後來香港基督教、天主教都經常來往啊，大家都合作。咁而家都有6宗教添，即係佛教、道教都有。咁6宗教每個新年都有出一封公開信咯。咁都係呢個梵二影響到，即係教會咁樣開放，同埋大家即係共同嘅就合作，唔同嘅就對話。我就70年代祝聖做神父嘅。
Blissful viewers, we'll be right back after this constructive message. Please stay tuned to Supreme Master Television. Caring viewers, welcome back to Unity and Diversity Through the Vegan Diet, interview with Father Anthony Chang Sang-loi, Vegan, part 1 of 3. We asked Father Chang to share more about his connection with nature or solitude and what inspired him to connect spiritually with it.
靜就係自己放開晒自己就咁咯。譬如好攰咧，或者有啲唔舒服咧，呢種靜咧可以幫我過咗佢咯。冇一個特別方式咯，就係會係坐喺度，甚至瞓喺度。咁有時會產生啲祈禱出嚟啦。咁有時佢自己有啲靈感自己出嚟啦。咁有時啲靈感出嚟咧，咁我由得佢繼續，同埋都有少少意識係想佢繼續嘅。即係我同大自然關係咧，我中意坐喺度望海嘅，我又中意望天嘅。我如果係樹林咧，都中意望個樹林嘅。咁有時如果喺樹林裏邊，即係坐喺度咧，咁個都會好舒服嘅。即係我細個嗰陣時咧，就覺得即係都知道天主處處都在。我中意望個天嘅，中意望個海嘅，咁就變咗望個天望個海，都會感受神喺裏邊，天主喺裏邊。咁係感受到佢真係處處都在咯。 即係做咗神父，我呢個意識都喺度嘅。譬如你留意個天可以令到個人咧個心胸闊啲嘅。咁如果你係好憂鬱啊，好唔開心咧，係幫你減少佢嘅，即係啦。咁如果你有憎恨嬲怒咧，又可以幫你減少嘅，即係自自然然嘅。你就咁坐喺度得噶啦，肯放開自己。咁同睇個海一樣，即係闊嘅，佢就令到你胸襟闊啲咯。個大自然可以幫自己咁。咁如果係留意佢嘅生命力啊，留意啲動物之間嘅關係啊，都顯露天主嘅愛。咁同埋可以喺動物嗰度學習嘅，喺嗰度多方面學習，即係精神上、靈性上啊，或者知識上。
Having this pure and intimate connection with the natural world, the Reverend was already convinced that only natural remedies would be able to help in the situation in which he found himself later in life. Father Chang tells us how a health issue brought him on the path of veganism.
咁我93年咧就兩隻腳趾公有痛風症，咁腫得好犀利，同埋好痛，跛住嚟行嘅，咁就要睇醫生啦。咁但係知道西醫咧醫得唔徹底嘅，所以諗住要揾自然治療，咁就去咗睇袁大明，就係個自然治療。咁你想快啲好返咧？你就要全部嘅肉都戒晒，咁我就好快全部好徹底戒啦。但係我就終於明白點解要做咯，咁我咪睇書咯。呢個係最好嘅即係飲食方法，戒晒啲肉，即係全素。變咗我係幾個月後好返嘅。咁我好返之後咧，我都想試翻啲肉，吞咗之後咧，有陣味上翻嚟，然後嗰陣味即係好難受嘅。咁我就決定都係全素。
For more information on Father Anthony Chang and his noble work, please visit facebook.com/Catholic Messengers of Green Consciousness and facebook.com/HKCVA. Faithful viewers, we thank you for being with us for Unity in Diversity through the Vegan Diet. Interview with Father Anthony Chang Sang Loi, Vegan, Part 1 of 3 on Words of Wisdom.